G'day and welcome to this week's video. My name's Robert Gowdy from Consortium Private Wealth, and I thought I'd just do a bit of a follow-up video on one I did a few weeks ago with regards to buying some shares for minors, so for children or grandchildren. We had some really good feedback from our clients, so thank you very much for that. It's good to know that a few people watch these videos. And we spoke about buying some shares for grandchildren and how that might be structured like we did in the video. But some of the conversation extended on to the benefits of why we do that for children rather than just having money sitting in the bank and getting a very low rate of return. I think over the last 20 years, as things have become so substantially cheaper and the deflationary effect of China, toys which were expensive and treasured back in the day now are cheap and just filter into the rest of the toys around the house. So a gift of some shares, investing into a business, is a fantastic idea, and one that that I've done for my children since they were a very young age. But probably the thing we spoke about was the gift of the money is fine, and investing it in a way that's going to grow in hopefully high quality business is one part of the equation. But more importantly, it's the learnings that the child will get as they approach 18 and 21. I think that's even probably, unless the business goes extremely well and shoots the light out, but it's those learnings and the understanding and how they would not be scared to invest into the share market. And I reflect on a lot of the people that I deal with as people sell farms and they retire and they move into town, whatever it is, they've got a lot of money to invest. Very nerve-wracking times because they're learning from absolute scratch. So I'm teaching people with any age, but the retirees around 60 to 70, I'm teaching them about the share market, teaching them about investing into businesses and what we're looking for and why you want to invest in those areas. So for the young kids coming through that are getting to 18 and 21, where parents and grandparents are handing over the ownership of these businesses, it's probably obviously informing that they've got them. It's the learnings that they get along the way, which is probably a huge part of the value in doing this for the kids, not just the monetary value. So anyhow, just extra thought. I thought it was worth sharing. If you've got any thoughts or comments, please leave below in the comments, where we answer everyone's comments individually. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please do so. And we'll see you next week. Thanks for listening.